Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Price, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to customize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 action figures from the Mega Man toy action line from Jada Toys. So we have Iceman, Fireman, Mega Man, Hyper Bomb, Cutman, and Electman. So first, tanggalin muna natin yung mga parts nila. So let's remove the head. Okay? Tapos, dito sa mga parts na to, yung sa may mga joints, lagyan natin ng mask para hindi mabago yung degree of articulation. Okay, something like this. And we are going to use alligator clips para hawakan yung mga parts. Tapos, ang primer na gagamitin natin dito is clear primer number 1 in 1 Bosny flat clear. So, 2 thin coats yung gagawin natin dun sa surface para pag nilapat natin yung paint, kakapit siya dun sa surface area. Okay, balikan ko kayo kapag tapos ko na sprayan. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-spray ng Bosny Flat Clear dito sa action figure na Mega Man from Jada Toys. And ito yung gagawin natin comic book paint style na repaint. So first is to apply clear primer. Ito na, done na tayo. And then next, mag-apply tayo ng shadows. We are going to apply highlight 01 and then highlight 02, which is lighter than the first highlights. And next na step, yung fifth step, is to apply line art. So dito tayo mag-apply ng mga feathering lines like the comic book style of inking. Tapos yung last step is to apply top coat para maprotektahan yung paint job na ginawa natin. Okay, so this one, ito na yung action figure. Ito na yung mga paints na gagamitin natin. Hero Paints, thank you very much for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring yung mga custom repaint projects natin. So we are going to use navy blue para sa darks. Yan, so mag-apply muna tayo ng shadows dito sa kanyang boots. So yung brush control dito na brush stroke na ginagawa ko. So ipipress ko muna yung pressure hard and then soft. Magka-create siya ng parang brush stroke effect. So ito yung paint style natin, hindi siya super clean. Meron siyang parang mas rough na finish or mas gestural na finish. Okay, so na-apply na natin yung mga shadows dito sa head ni Mega Man and sa body ni Mega Man. Now we are going to apply highlights layer 1. So yung highlights layer 1 mas light kesa dun sa base coat na dun sa color ng original na armor. So in this case, ito yung legs niya. So dapat pag nag-apply tayo, mas light dun sa base color niya. So you can do something like that. Ang mixture pala nito turquoise at saka white. Okay, after ng highlights 1, mag-apply naman tayo ng second layer of highlights. So make sure lang na mas light yung second layer of highlights for additional color contrast. Okay, in this instance, mas marami yung white paint versus dun sa turquoise. So apply na natin. Okay, after the highlights, pwede na tayo mag-apply ng black na line art. So, mas magamit ako ngayon na mas fine na brush for our line art. And dito natin pwede apply yung mga comic book lines na feathering, cross-hatching, yan, transition lines. Yan. Okay. Maganda rito sa brush na to, pwede kang mag-execute ng different line weight. So, if you press hard, mas thick yung yung line weight niya yan. Tapos pag soft naman yung pressure, thin yung line weight. So very dynamic yung lines na nape-paint niya dun sa action figure. So dito mas dark siya, so I'll do some transition lines here, cross hatching, yan. So yun mga ma'am, sir, ma'am, we are done with the Mega Man Jada Toys action figure action figure line na project natin. So, customize natin siya into comic book paint style repaint. So, yung recap lang natin is ito yung comic book paint style na mga process. So, first step is to apply clear primer para hindi na magbago yung base color ng action figure. And then we apply shadows, highlights 1, highlights 2. Highlights 2 should be lighter than 01, and then apply line art and then top coat. So first we have Mega Man. This is the front. Actually we have 6 pieces here. We have Iceman, Mega Man, Hyper Bomb, Cutman, Fireman, and Elecman. So ito na yung matapos natin. It's a set na comic book paint style repaint natin. So Mega Man, here's the front, tapos back, and then the side and the other side, and meron siyang mga accessories, 1, 2, yung ito yung buster niya. Then we have hands na 1, 2, 3 pieces of hands, and then meron din siyang alt head, and also yung Mega Buster fire effect niya. Then next we have the Hyper Bomb. So same lang yung sculpt niya, pero iba yung color palette niya. So this one is white green, this one is blue and light blue. Same lang yung accessories, ito lang yung naiba, meron lang siyang malaking bomb. So this is very cool. Gusto ko tong accessory na to. It's a very big bomb. Meron din siyang alt head. And also next we have Iceman. We have the front, side. Ang ganda ng ng sculpt na ginawa ni Jay the Toys sa mga Mega Man action figures niya. I like this booster pack sa likod ng action figure. And lahat ng mga ilalim ng feet nila merong ding booster or light design. Meron din siyang alt head. Okay, and yung kanyang ice effect. And then next we have Cutman. Meron siyang type of scissors here on top of his head. And meron din siyang base. Lahat nito meron base except base and stand, except si Elecman. Si Elecman kasi yung electricity effect nga nilalagay sa kamay eh. Hindi siya standalone. So for standalone accessories or fire effects like this, meron silang pinoprovide na base. At saka ng pole and yung base. Here we have Cutman. Meron din siyang mga alt hands and alt head. So this is very nice, super nice na mga Mega Man na action figures na gawa ni Jay the Toys talaga. And then next we have Fireman. Gusto ko rin yung mga accessories na nilagay nila dito kay Fireman. So we have not 3 but 4 fire effects. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos yung isa pang fire effect na pwede mong ilagay sa head niya. Okay, this is very cool. Something like this. Okay, and then next we have Elecman. So ito yung last na kinostomize ko, Elecman. And really happy na tapos na tayo sa set na to. And gusto ko lang din i-feature sila sa video kasi patapos na tayo mga moms. We are done. After nito, let's take some photos and videos for uploading sa Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. Tapos package na natin and then we'll post this for sale. Hindi ko pa sure kung magkano yung price nito, pero stay tuned na lang kayo sa Facebook kasi ipopost ko yung price in a few days o kaya mamaya. Okay, magte-take lang ako ng photos tapos i-collate ko lang sila and then let's post this for sale. Okay, so yun mga ma'am sir, hindi naman nabago yung articulation, same pa rin, pero syempre since this is a custom repainted na action figure, be careful na lang sa pag-rotate ng mga joints kasi syempre pag merong friction, meron pa rin chance na magkaroon ng mga paint rubs and paint scratches. Okay, so yun, naka top coat naman to, protected naman yung paint job natin, nag-cure yung top coat. So dun sa mga surfaces na ganito, protected yan for minor scratches and paint rubs. Okay, kung wala namang friction or kung may space naman yung joints, wala naman magiging problema dun. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.